with conviction, commitment, and clarity, with an unshakable vision of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, into the aspirations of every single Tibetan, through the resolve and leadership of the Central Tibetan Administration, we bring to you the truth about Tibetan cause and leadership of the Central Tibetan Administration. We keep you informed, redressed, and updated on everything that matters directly or otherwise. We educate and orient you with stories that matter, so that the beacon of our struggles persists, so that Tibet flourishes. Tibet TV, connecting all Tibetans.